Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do list on Clickup, whether you're organizing your personal tasks or streamlining your team's workflow. A to-do list is a powerful tool to keep everything on track and improve productivity. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to clickup.com. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of features designed to help you manage tasks efficiently. But for now, focus on logging in. Locate the login button at the top right corner and click it to go to the sign in page. If you use Google for your productivity needs, the sign in with Google option is super convenient. Click it, then select the Google account linked to your Clickup workspace. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once selected, you'll be logged in and ready to start managing your tasks. Now that you're inside Clickup, it's time to either create a new task or navigate to an existing one where you want to add a to-do list. From your dashboard, select the relevant project and the specific task. This is important because every checklist or to-do list in ClickUp is tied to a particular task, keeping your workflow organized. Within your selected task, look for the Create Checklist button. Clicking this opens up the checklist feature, which is the foundation of your to-do list. At first, it may appear simple or bare, but this is where you can customize it to fit your needs. Start by giving your checklist a clear and intuitive name. For example, you might call it to-do tasks or something relevant to the task at hand. Naming your checklist is essential, especially if you're managing multiple checklists across different projects, because it helps you quickly identify each one at a glance. Once named, you can begin typing out all the tasks or subtasks you want to include. Make sure each item is actionable and easy to understand. ClickUp allows you to add as many items as needed, which is perfect for breaking larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Detailing each step ensures nothing is overlooked and keeps your workflow precise. And there you have it. Your to-do list in ClickUp is now ready to help you tackle tasks efficiently and stay on top of your projects. By following these steps, you can enhance productivity, track progress, and maintain organization across personal or team projects. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.